joining us beside the Great Barrier Reef in Emu Park, Australia. First, let's meet my friend Karan and her beautiful horses.
This is Happy, and he's my oldest. He's 27 going on 28 X-ray horse. The other one's my youngest ridden horse, that's Scout, and he's 5.
Good morning, Scout. And Happy. You ready for a swim?
I told you he will not eat your blanket. This one will not eat you. The other one I can't promise, but this one will not hurt you.
Hi. Is that tasty? Just take a bite.
He says I'm a good old man teeth.
Oh. Is that nice? Scout's like, there's mine.
Exactly.
Yours is coming, mate.
Think of them as like big dogs.
Yeah.
Big dogs. He's just nibbling.
There you go.
Oh my god, he just so yummy.
You're worth it to me. You shine right through and make life feel like a dream.
A goat. Oh, that's a big stretch.
Yeah, can you press between the legs? Big stretch.
Ah!
Oh, good boy!
Was that horse yoga? Let's go swimming.
Aww.
Let's roll in the sand, rinse off, then relax with some lunch.
Lay me down in dark, cover me in stars. Will you make my bed? Let me lay my head. I have never seen beauty from beneath. When I lift my
My horse is still there. See the fella looking?
Good, huh? Hopefully not upside down and tangled up in the right.
Hopefully not.
Hey, it's all good. You can pat them. They're friendly.
Yeah, I know. Adding both. The one sort of wanted to talk more.
Yeah.
Then would I start talking to you. The other one came on and said, well, if it's getting a pat on him. And you go right out in the water with them.
Yeah, we did have a bit of a swim.
Yeah. They were good.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
look up at the sky. Can you see the light?
exactly how you take your horses to the beach in Queensland, Australia.
This beachfront swimming pool is totally free. Subscribe to find out where it is.
Scout's drinking the water. You're not supposed to drink the water, mate. It's not going to taste very nice. Sorry, I trod on a fish. So Scout can smell the carrots in my bag, which has lots of other stuff in it. So, hi.
This is a frog. Believe it or not.
Frog,
Yep. That's a big spongy cushion that they land on.
Okay.
This is the hoof wall.
Yep.
They're the bars.
Yep.
And that's its sole. And inside there's a bone that sits in the front part.
Yep.
And all the back here is soft tissue between two wings of cartilage. Yeah. So this bit grows down like a fingernail, and that's the bit you trim or that they wear when they're running around.
And why is it better not to have horseshoes, metal horseshoes on there?
Long term,
Yeah.
if you basically put a shoe around this rim here,
Yeah.
basically then all your soft tissue's off the ground unless they're on really soft surfaces, so then this doesn't get worked
Yep.
and it starts to shrivel up and lose its shock absorption, and a lot of concussion goes up the leg and can cause other issues, and over time their hoof changes and they end up with longer toes and their heels run forward and it changes their hoof shape.
Oh, that
so-
gives them better.
So like people still shoe for performance, but if you can take the shoes off for a few months every year so the hoof can give function on all parts and be stimulated and stay healthy.
Okay.
Does that kind of make sense?
That makes sense. So you to come in and sort of, after they've had that time out, like trim them and make sure it's all healthy before they get shoes on again, or do you do it after the shoe comes off to help them?
Bit of both. So it's all you're doing when you're trimming is so if they're doing lots and lots of miles,
Yeah.
that like a back foot's probably a bit more worn. So it's probably the back foot's a bit shorter and a bit more worn.
Yeah.
It's doing more effort, more work. So it all depends on how much wear and how many miles they're doing, how frequently you have to trim them. So the trimming's just replacing the miles they'd be doing in the wild. You know, in the wild they're probably traveling,
yeah.
like especially some of the desert brumbies, they reckon they travel like, you know, 30 to 50 k's
Yeah.
between food and water.
This is the quick release loop. I don't have any more snacks for you, sorry. See the quick release? You pull the end and it comes undone. Ready?
So this end.
Yeah. Ta-da! I love how Scout does just these tiny little nuzzles.